Morning. Today's topic is components of instructions. We have two types. First one is logic instructions. Second one is shift and rotate instructions. Right? First one, logic instructions. Logical operations such as and, are, and not. See, these are also called as logical and, logical or, and logical not. See, these are the operations which are performed on bitwise. Applied the individual bits are the basic building blocks of digital circuits. See, it is also useful to be able to perform logical operations in software. Once again, logical instructions are logical and, logical are, and logical not. Example, one's complement. See, example, one's complement. Not DST is nothing but a destination, not a destination. Here not means logical not. Complements all bits contained in the destination operand, changing zeros to ones and ones to zeros. Suppose the destination contains some bits which are the combination of zeros and ones. Whenever you apply this instruction NOT DST, the bits which are contained in the destination is changing zeros to 1 as well as ones to 0. Suppose the destination contains 1 0, it can be converted into 0 1, like that. The destination contains some combination of bits. All the bits which are contained in the destination are converted in opposite manner. Means if it contains 0, it can be converted into 1. If it contains 1, it can be converted into 0. Okay. And second example, 2's complement. 2's complement. Hope you know what is 2's complement. 2's complement means 1's complement plus 1. Right? 1's complement plus 1, which gives you 2's complement. That we have to do here. Not R0 means the content which are present in the register R0 is converted into 1's complement. 1's complement means not. Not is nothing but 1's complement. And we have to add hash 1 comma R0. You have to add to an existing 1's complement with 1, you get a 2's complement. Many computers have a single instruction for 2's complement also. Now some of the computers are also having a single instruction for performing 2's complement, which is negative or 0. Negative or 0. Okay. Logical operations operators and or not represent as a bits in a table as. See, we have to represent these three operations in the form of table. You have to look like this. See, first one, under table. These are the basics of basics for electronic students. Hope for a verse, right? And operand 1, operand 2, and see, first 0 0 0 0, which gives you 0, and 0 1 also 0, 1 0 also 0, 1 1 1. See, for and in C programming also we discussed this. And means if you are having two conditions, if both the conditions are true, then only it is true, right? See, otherwise it is false, like that. operand 1 is 0, operand 2 is 0, which gives you 0. And operand 1 is 0 and operand 2 is 1, means true false. You should be treat it like true or false. TF in our SSC mathematics also this true false and sets and relations, right? 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 gives you 1, means this is and mean if both are same then only it gives the result same, otherwise it gives different. You observe here 0 0 gives 0, 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. If both are same, it gives the same one, otherwise it gives 0, right? Next, R. See, R says either or, means any one. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1, means or means if any one of the operand is true, then it is true. Once again, and means A and B, means both are true, then only it is true. But R means R gives you either, means any one of the operand is true, then it is true. See, that's why it is 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0, 1 0 1 1 1 1. And not means opposite. 0 means 1, 1 means 0. So hope you these are the basic tables in our DLD subject, I think, right? There is no need to give more explanation on this table and or and not. Next, shift and rotate instructions. Shift and rotate instructions. First, shift instruction. There are many applications that require the bits of an operand to be shifted right or left some specified number of bit positions. Shift means you have to shift one place to another place, right? Like that, here we have to shift the bits to left or right in some specified number of bits, means move left towards left in by 3 bits, or move right towards by 4 bits, something like. You have to move the bits positions towards left or right in a specified number of positions. There are two types of shift instructions: logical shift instructions and arithmetic shift instructions. In shift, we have two types of instructions. One is logical shift instructions, second one is arithmetic shift instructions. First one, logical shift instructions. There are again two types of logical shift instructions. First one is logical shift left, L shift L, logical shift left, and logical shift right. Once again, logical shift left and logical shift right. These instructions shift an operand over a number of bits positions specified in a count operand contained in the instruction. See, these are the instructions which are used to shift or shift left or shift right the bits in a specified number of times, which are used a variable count. First one, see, logical shift left. Logical shift left. The general form of logical shift left instruction is L shift L. See, logical shift left. See, count. See, count means the number of bit positions to move towards left. Destination, DST is nothing but a destination. Once again, count logical shift left, that is we have to move the bits towards left. The count means the number of bit positions to move left. So destination is the destination contains the total number of bits, right? The count operand may be an immediate operand, or it may be contained in a processor register. See here one example: L shift L, left shift logical shift left, hash 2 comma R0. This is depicted as, see, R0 is move towards left, C, right? Before see 0 0 1 1 0 example, see, two positions, so it gives you this is before and this is after. We have to move bits towards left by two positions, right? That is logical shift left. It shifts the contents of a register R0 left by two positions. Vacant positions are filled with zeros. Okay, the positions which are not filled, I mean spaced bits are filled with zeros. See here, you observe here before 0, C contains 0, 0 1 1 1 0 0 and 0 1 1. So you have to move bits towards left by two positions. It sees like that, shows like that. See, right, one position is moved and 0 and 1 ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది, and the rightmost bits are bits which are filled with zeros, right? Next, logical shift right, the same. Instead of using left, you have to use right. The general form is logical shift right, or L shift R. Count gives how many number of bits you have to move towards right. DST, destination. Example: logical L shift R and hash 2 comma R0. The R0 is a register which contains some number of bits. The meaning of this instruction is we have to move the bits two positions towards right, which is placed in the register R0. This is depicted as like this: R0, see, count right before 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. See, after it moves towards here and it gives the leftover bits are filled with zeros. It shifts the contents of the register by 2 bit positions, right? 2 bit positions. Vacant positions are filled with zeros. Whatever the bits which are left over, those bits are filled with zeros, right? This is about logical shift right. Hope you understand the difference between logical shift left and logical shift right. These are very simple topics, I think. Next, arithmetic shift instructions. Arithmetic shift instructions. There are two types of arithmetic shift instructions, right? Arithmetic shift instructions. First one, arithmetic shift left and arithmetic shift right. Once again, logical shift left, logical shift right, arithmetic instructions may also having two types. One is arithmetic shift left and second one is arithmetic shift right. First one, arithmetic shift left. A shift left, A shift left, A means arithmetic shift left, hash 2 comma R0. See, a left arithmetic shift is a binary number by two positions. The empty positions in the LSB, least significant bit. LSB means least significant bit, are filled with zeros. Right? Once more, a left arithmetic shift of a binary number by two positions. The empty positions in the LSB, least significant bit. LSB means least significant bit, are filled with zeros. Are filled with zeros. Here you observe. Here C, we have to move left. Before the contents are 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, double 1. After moving to 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and the leftmost, the rightmost least significant bit means least significant bits are filled with zeros. Next, it works same like logical shift left operation. It works same like logical shift left operation. Arithmetic shift right. A shift right as to 0. A right arithmetic shift of a binary number by two positions. The empty positions in the most significant bit. See, least significant bit and most significant bits. Both least significant bit means uh, uh, see left side, and most significant bit means right side. They are filled with copies of original MSB bits. Original MSB bits, most significant bit. See here you observe right. This is like before. You have to observe before 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. This is before, and after move towards, it comes like see two bits. So ఈ టూ జీరోస్ బిఫోర్కి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. సో ఇది వన్ వస్తుంది, జీరో, 1 1 అండ్ డబల్ జీరో 1. ఏదైతే వన్స్ ఉన్నాయో అవి తిరిగి బ్యాక్ వచ్చినాయి ఆఫ్టర్ 1 1. ఓకే. సో మోస్ట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ బిల్స్ ఆర్ filled with copies of the original MSB. That's about arithmetic shift right. So hope you understand the difference between arithmetic shift left and arithmetic shift right. In arithmetic shift left, it is just like a logical shift left. We have to fill the least significant bits with zeros. But in arithmetic shift right, the most significant bits are filled with the copies of the original MSB, means original most significant bits. So that is the difference between arithmetic shift right and arithmetic shift left. Okay, by seeing this example, I hope you understand the difference of these two, right?